Hello and welcome. This is Mudassir Afraz from civiltechnologyforyou.com, and today in this session we will learn about donuts. So donuts are generally used in electrical drawings to draw a circuit. So let's see how to draw units. Donut command is in draw panel. I will just click this drop down arrow and here you can see one of the option, that is donut. This is the donut command. I will just hit here OK to activate this command. Now it is asking about donut specify inside diameter of donut. Okay, so I have to just specify the inside diameter of just donut. Okay, so I will click here. Now I will just give a diameter of, for example, 1 unit. Then again I will hit enter. Then it is asking about the outside diameter. Okay, so I will hit here too. Then I will hit enter. Now you can see these are the donuts. Okay, this is the donuts. Okay, so I can just click here to specify, click here. Okay, now when I will just press escape, it will be deactivated. Okay, I will select this donut and you can just make changes from here in these grips as well. For example, I want to just stretch this one toward this point. You can see it is going to change. Okay, I can stretch from here as well. You can see it is going to stretch. Okay, the whole donuts is going to change. Okay, so you can just make modification from these grips as well. I hope you understand this session. I will see you in the next.